What's up, you guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, welcome to Life with Lay. Make sure you all click that subscribe button if you are new. If you are not new, then welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry guys if my face looks super dry, but I just took a shower, but I didn't wash my face yet because I'm super excited. I have Fenty Skin here that I'm going to be trying out for the very first time. I got my package in the mail yesterday. Actually, it came super quick. I ordered it when they did like the pre-sale or like the pre-order, where if you subscribed, you were able to order it the day before it officially came out. So I ordered it and I got it this week. Let me first start off by saying I don't buy anyone's skincare products. I don't buy anything like from anybody. First of all, I don't really I've been blessed with good skin. I really don't suffer from breakouts or anything like that. And when I got my first breakout in middle school, my doctor told me to use Clean and Clear, and it's been working for me ever since. So I stick with that. I don't buy any fancy facial products or anything like that, because if it works, if it's not broke, then why fix it? But when I saw Rihanna was coming out with Fenty Skin, and I saw like the influencers, I think I saw Sean Garrett do it first, his demonstration, I was like, oh my goodness, I have to get my hands on some of this. It just looked amazing. So I ordered it, and I don't do this, but I'm super excited, and I'm going to try it on camera for you all today. I'm super excited. I can't wait. So you're going to get my first impression of all of this. So of course I got the bundle. It came with all 3 products. So yeah, I'm super excited to try. I love like the packaging for this too. Pretty simple but cute. This is my favorite thing already. I can tell it's already gonna be my favorite thing. I'm super excited to try that. So yeah, I'm so excited, and let's go ahead. This is gonna be a super quick video. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. I'm gonna go ahead and tie my hair up. Alright, so I'm back for you guys. I went ahead and tied my hair up. So as I mentioned, I got the bundle, and the bundle comes with the cleanser, the fat water, and then it also came with the SPF Moisturizer, which I'm super excited and grateful that I got, because I'm sad to say and ashamed to say that I don't use sunscreen in my everyday skincare routine. I know all the people who are like super pressed over skincare probably like cringed at that statement, but unfortunately I don't. So I'm super excited that I have this. So hopefully I do have a new SPF moisturizer that I can start incorporating in my skincare routine. And I was also super excited for this. They had the, if I can figure out how to do this. Oh cool. That was like a little trial run. And this is like so refillable, so you can keep this, and then they have online where you just buy the refillable moisturizer. So that is super cute. This is gonna be cute to see on my sink. Okay, cool. So let's get started. I'm gonna start with the moisturizer. I'm sorry, the cleanser. I'm so excited, y'all. Y'all, so it's a twist top. I was trying to take the whole top off, so you just twist it like this. Alright, we'll start with that much and see what we're working with. It has like a feels like it's very thick, which I like. It smells like lotion. I'm liking this. I'm gonna be super pressed if I have a new skincare line besides my basic Clean and Clear. I think Rihanna may have did something. I like how thick it is, and I like the texture. Like I said, it feels like lotion almost, but you can definitely still tell that it's like, you know, a cleanser. I really like this. I'm trying to think. It smells, I can't tell if it smells like lavender or vanilla. But it definitely has not a strong smell, but it's like just a tiny hint. I'm not good with smells, but I think I'm getting either lavender or vanilla. Alright. Okay. I like the cleanser. I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this off. Now, I didn't have on makeup. I didn't wear makeup today, so I'm not sure if it's going to be like a good makeup remover as far as the cleanser goes. So I definitely will have to try that out. Ooh, my face feels clean. I really like that. Okay, so now I'm going to move on to the fat water. Let's see. So how do I do this top? Okay, so this top is the same. I like these tops. It has the dispenser right there, so you just close it and twist it to open it. Okay. Ooh, it's big. All of her. Okay. Take me. I'm going to do another application to see what I'm feeling. It feels thick. It felt thick when I first put it in my hands, but when I applied it to my face, it felt a little thinner. So that's why I said I may need to do another application. It comes out thick. Like, you know how like toner is like liquid, but it comes out thick. Okay. Yeah. I mean, it's definitely way thicker than like a regular toner. I usually use the witch hazel toner. So I would definitely do like 2 applications of this because I felt it more so on my second application. It feels good. My face just feels so clean after that cleanser. And I even do this with my toner and like the oils I use. Just to make sure my face really absorbs it. Okay, so I like it. I just have to do 2 applications of it to like really get it applied. I'm just glad I wasn't like disappointed. Could you imagine, like, especially how much the hype was over the Fenty Skin and me never buying anything? I was like, y'all, this stuff has to be bomb. Like, I would be pissed if I spent, I think it was like $80, like $79 for the bundle. I was like, y'all, I'd be pissed if I buy this stuff and it just don't work. But of course I'm gonna have to give it like a week to see if it like, you know, really works. But based on first impressions, I'm really liking it so far. Okay, so, and I feel it really soaks up into your skin because now I feel like my face has absorbed it all. Okay, so I like it. Whereas like, you know, toner, because it's not as thick, it doesn't really, you don't really feel your face absorbing it. But, okay, so now I'm gonna go in with the SPF Moisturizer. Sorry. Oops. I love this pink. Pink is like my favorite color. Ooh. This is thick too, y'all. I really appreciate like thick products, but thick, but not like overwhelming, y'all. This is it. Rihanna did a thing. Because it's so thick that like my skin appreciates it and is able to like absorb it, but it's not like, you know, like heavy on the skin. Like I feel it doing what it needs to do, but it's not like heavy, y'all. All right, man. I'm definitely, ooh, y'all, I'm loving it. Rihanna definitely did a thing. I'm super excited to see how my skin takes to this like over the next week. And yeah, I definitely, off first impressions, definitely don't feel disappointed in my purchase. Shout out to you, Rihanna. I'm super excited to keep trying this. Look at my face. Alright, anyways, I said this was going to be super quick. Overall, on a scale of 1 to 5, based off first impressions, I'm going to give it definitely a 4.5. I'll see it over like the next week or two, you know, long-term results and like how I continue to like it over each day that I continue to use it. But I'm definitely pleased with my purchase so far. Shout out to you, Rihanna. Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up before you exit out of here, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Damn, Rihanna.